Welcome back to Guinea Forge. I am Scott McGhee, AVS Master Smith and instructor, and we're going to do something a little different today. Today is going to be our third video in the point series. This is going to be the Dale Morse method. Dale is the Master Blacksmith at Virginia Institute of Blacksmithing, very talented blacksmith, and he's been, he probably doesn't want to admit this, but he's been one of my mentors in blacksmithing. I'm not a very good blacksmith, but I've learned a lot from him. And his point is, it's a very efficient point. It requires skill, but I think you're going to learn something from it. I certainly have learned a lot from it. I hope y'all enjoy it. Thank you very much.
So this is a method of making a point and flat bar that eliminates fish mouth. There is a relationship between thickness and width. Too thin, too wide, and this method won't work, but it is quite effective. All it requires is that you're able to aim a little bit. So instead of overhanging the corner when you come down, hammer at an angle, blow vertical, you come in just behind the corner, and that pushes the metal forward a little bit instead of rolling the corner over, eliminating the issue with fish mouth. But it means you have to be able to aim. All right, here we go. As described. Lift a little bit when you flip it over so that the metal is against the handle appropriately. There you have it. A nice point, no fish lips.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. If you did, give me the like, follow me, and if you want to help pay for gas and steel, find me on Patreon. Thank y'all.